Hi Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet joined the Glam fam, all that you need to do is hit that subscribe button in order to join. We'd love to have you here, and let's go ahead and get right into this video.
Promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep.
So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what I eat in a day. This video has been highly requested, and on yesterday I posted on my community, what did you all want to see? Was it my Fashion Nova haul first, or was it this video? And y'all voted for what I eat in a day. I can't believe it. Y'all want to know what I eat in a day to keep this waist snatched? Well girl, let me tell you. So first, of course, we're going to start with the most important meal of the day, and that is of course breakfast. And what I had for my breakfast on today was turkey bacon, eggs, and avocado toast. So first I will be making eggs, turkey bacon, and avocado toast. And you guys, this is my favorite breakfast. So let's go ahead and get started. Make sure that you always start by cleaning off your utensils. So I will be using this pan here for my eggs, so I'm washing that off, as well as for any other little thing that I'll be using, so that, you know, there won't be any leftover nasty crumbs or anything like that in my food. Next, after that, I'm setting my oven to 425 for my turkey bacon, and I'm cooking quite a bit of turkey bacon because I'm not only cooking for myself, but I'm also cooking for my mom. So for butter, I'm going to use Country Crock Original here, and I really haven't found a really healthy way to make eggs. I just make eggs how I make eggs. So yeah, but when I do, I will of course share that with you all.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, 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 a brighter day, a brighter day. Oh.
Okay, and I am now just putting salt and pepper. I told y'all I don't do anything different when it comes to having eggs or making eggs. And also, eggs are pretty good for you because it is a good source of protein. So definitely keep that in mind if you're talking about building up muscle in your legs or wherever the case may be. On today, I'm using wheat bread, and I've been on this kick of wheat bread for a while because it is obviously better for you than white bread. And then here, I had to call my mom in here to fix this avocado up for me. So that is what she's doing now. And did you know that avocado is a good source of collagen? If you did not know, you now know.
Why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain will
For the avocado toast, I had wheat bread, of course, which is a little bit better for you than white bread, but keep in mind that bread is extremely fattening, which is why you will see in the video that I only have one slice of bread. And if you know me, you know that typically I will have 1, 2, 3 slices of bread probably, but I am definitely cutting back on a lot of stuff like that, and I have been doing so for a while, and I can tell y'all that it has really helped me with keeping my tummy down, keeping my tummy flat, besides the drink that I've been drinking every day. And if y'all have not seen that natural treatment, then please check it out, and it will definitely help you to keeping that waist flat regardless of what you eat. Now, the avocado on the toast. If you did not know, avocado is extremely beneficial for keeping collagen in your skin, and we all want to stay looking as young as we can for as long as possible, right? So definitely add some avocado to your food. I know that a lot of people hate avocado. For me personally, it doesn't really have a flavor unless you add it, and I added my flavor, and on my avocado toast I added salt, pepper, and I added cayenne. And if you did not know, cayenne boosts the metabolism and it burns off those calories faster. So if you've ever been interested in keeping weight off, definitely also add some cayenne into whatever you are making, okay? Now, it is a little bit on the spicy side, so you might want to be a little light-handed with it if you don't like spicy food. Definitely keep in mind, you know, how you really want your body to go when you decide to commit to a certain type of diet. If you want to be strung out on the junk food, just keep in mind how it may affect you in the future, okay? Sometimes you have to wean yourself off of things. And that brings me to my next thing in this video, and that is snacks. This right here, whenever I have to curb my appetite away from some Doritos or some good old hot fries, because I love me some hot chips, okay y'all, I love anything with some spiciness, okay? That's my stuff right there. But I have to wean myself off, so I have started eating these organic whole grain rice cakes, and instead of having junk food, like say for instance going to the kitchen and picking up a bag of Doritos or something like that, I try to have this. Now, I still have to have my Doritos fixed at least once a month. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie to y'all, but once a month does not affect me. It does not affect my weight. But once I start sitting there eating them all day long, it definitely affects my weight in a negative way, okay? And I'll be like, girl, I can't have no more of these. I cannot do this. So I have been eating these rice cakes, and these are the cinnamon toast flavor, and you can purchase these using my link down below. I will earn a small percentage. These are from Whole Foods on Amazon. You can have Whole Foods deliver this to your house, girls. So this is the dinner that my mom made for me on today. We have some linguine pasta here, and we also have some Bom Bom Shrimp from Whole Foods, which you can purchase down below with my link. I will earn a small commission. This right here was absolutely amazing, but in order to be more healthy, I definitely recommend substituting the pasta out with something like some brown rice. Okay, so in the mixture that my mom is making for the noodles, we have 365 Whole Foods salted butter. We have Great Value onion powder. We have Zac Terrain's parsley flakes. We have Great Value pure ground black pepper. We have Chestnut Hill garlic powder. And last but not least, of course, we have some good old cayenne pepper to add some spice. So this is going to be in my dinner for tonight. This is called Bom Bom Shrimp. My mom is actually chefing it up for me on tonight. So I am happy about that because I ain't gotta cook tonight, y'all. But these came from Whole Foods, so of course there will be a link down below as to where you can purchase your very own. And we will be adding a little bit of Bertolli Alfredo sauce in the noodles. So this is my mom's butter before she added in all of the seasonings. These are the noodles after they are completely cooked and all done. So here's the butter after all the seasonings, and here she is adding in that small bit of Alfredo sauce.
Tell me your story.
And this is going to give them that perfect flavoring. And then after you do that, all that you do is mix the noodles up with all of that good sauce in it, okay? When I finally switched over my diet from fast food, my body completely changed. So I definitely recommend, if you are trying to keep your waist small or your weight in check, to start eating more home cooked food. That is what I definitely recommend, because I've learned that it's not what you eat really. It's just when you start eating a lot of processed foods that the problem really comes in. Okay, another thing that I'll have during the day, like if I want something sweet, is I'll definitely have some fruit. Very frequently I'll have like grapes and strawberries, and I pretty much eat those every day in place of like a sweet. I really don't like sweets too much. I have my specific sweets that I like cinnamon rolls, and I love me some peach cobbler and stuff like that. But other than that, I really don't too much care for sweets, so it's not hard for me to replace that with some grapes and some strawberries. But for those of y'all out there that are addicted to sweets, because I'm like that with salty food, I ain't like that with sweets, okay? Then I definitely recommend just replacing that with some grapes, some strawberries, like I have learned to do, because on those times that I do want me some cinnamon rolls, I'd be like, girl, let me go ahead and go in this refrigerator and get these grapes and these strawberries and be happy, okay? And sometimes you have to do that. When you're committed to a life change, like changing your body, changing your diet, you have to cut out all of the mess, okay? And if you want to keep your tummy flat, there's a lot of stuff that you have to let go of. What people don't understand is you really don't even have to do extreme workouts. The most that you really have to do is just change that diet, and you will feel so much better once you cut out a lot of the mess, okay? Now really quickly, I'm going to announce my giveaway winners for the Cash App giveaway. I told y'all it was going to be on the 24th. I didn't say nothing about it in the intro, and I didn't say nothing about it in the title, but y'all know that when I tell y'all I'm gonna do something, it's coming, okay? There are 3 winners. I want to thank you all so much for 1,000 subscribers once again, and let me announce these 3 winners for my 1,000 Cash App giveaway. Okay, so the first winner is Denmark8896. You are my 3rd place winner. I will be cash apping you $15, and I hope that it can go towards something great. Like if you are on a diet like me, or you want some of the stuff that I talked about or showed in this video, I hope that you can definitely put this towards that. Whatever you want to do with it, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. This is just my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm just giving away stuff. Do whatever you want to do with it, okay? It's your money. Hope that you thoroughly enjoy it and that you're able to put it towards something awesome. Thank you for being a part of my glam fam. My 2nd place winner is DFW Nay. I really hope that I'm not messing up your name, but she said that she was going to put this in savings towards her mom's tombstone, and I will be sending you $20 on Cash App, of course. So I hope that definitely helps. I don't know how much a tombstone costs, but I am so sorry that you lost your mom. I could not imagine losing my mom. So I hope that this definitely, you know, helps you out. And my 3rd place winner is Lady Shorty. She said, hey Maddie. Hey Lady Shorty, we are the Glam fam. She also said congratulations on them 1,000 Glam Stars, and thank you so much for being a part of my 1,000 Glam Stars crew, okay? I love y'all. Y'all know that I love y'all, and for you I will be sending you $25. I want to thank everyone that participated in my giveaway. Of course, I will be doing so many more giveaways here on my channel, especially once we hit that 2,000 subscribers, which I know is coming soon. I want to thank everyone that supports me, that loves my videos, that watches them, even if they don't interest you at all. The people who just come through just because I love y'all, okay? Thank you for being the awesome Glam Stars that y'all are. Y'all are truly Glam Stars, okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.